So this video will be about solving one-step equations. These are pretty simple. All you need to remember is inverse operations. So what is the opposite of what you're trying to do? In x plus 5 equals 8, we want to get x on its own. We see that we've added 5. We know the opposite of adding is subtraction, so we'll subtract 5 to get rid of it. Since we subtract 5 on one side, we also need to subtract 5 on the other side. Here we get x, 5 minus 5 cancels out, equals 8 minus 5, which is 3. You probably could have done that on your own without doing this math and writing it out, but as we get into more and more complicated problems, it will be important to write out what you're doing. Here's another problem, x minus 7 equals 10. If we want to get x alone, we need to get rid of the minus 7. We ask ourselves, what's the opposite of subtraction? And that is addition. So we're going to add 7 to one side. If we add 7 to one side, we add 7 to the other side as well. X equals 10 plus 7, or 17. Then we've got our multiplication and division problems. Here we've got 4x equals 36. So this is like saying 4 times x equals 36. When I want to get x on its own, I need to undo my multiplication, and I do that by dividing. I always divide by the number in front of the x. If I do it on one side, I'll do it on the other side as well. X equals 36 divided by 4, which happens to be 9. And finally, x divided by 6 equals 3. So I've taken my x, I've divided it by something. In order to get rid of that something, I'll need to multiply. So we're going to multiply by 6 on both sides. X equals 3 times 6, or 18.